She's trying to eat M&Ms with her paws. It is so cute. It is so... Oh, yay!
This doesn't work.
This is gonna be on YouTube, you know that, right?
No.
I'm doing it for my own amusement, not YouTube.
I posted everything on YouTube.
Pathetic bird tries to eat M&Ms. Oh, I got one!
Yay! This is the furry in the This is the female in the fandom panel that May is missing. See, May? Look at all these new faces that you're missing. You should have been here. I've called you like 4 times. Yes, actually, there are a couple guys in here. I don't know why. But wakey, wakey.